It's an amazing and beautiful day because we are going to make something sweet today, and that sweet is energy ball. I'm going to show you 2 recipes of energy ball which are super quick and easy. There's no baking thing. All you need few ingredients which I will tell you, and also a mixer grinder. That's it. You will be good to go. You can serve these energy balls with a tea if guest is coming, or just to treat yourself. You can also give these energy balls in the tiffin box of your kids and husband. Anytime in a day, if you're craving sugar, just have these energy balls because they are super delicious, sugar free and also guilt free. Now let's go and see the recipes. So for recipe number 1, you need 1 cup of soaked pitted dates, 1 cup of almond and cashew, half cup of coconut shred, half cup of old-fashioned oat, and less than 1/4 cup of chia seeds. If you don't have old-fashioned oats, you can also use steel cut oats. You just have to roast it on medium or low flame and you can just use it in this recipe. If you have a good mixer grinder or fruit processor, mix all the ingredients in one time till everything is small enough to make balls. Else add dry and hard ingredients first to the grinder, and then you can add all the soaked dates and other chewy dry fruits to mix them really well. If you want, you can also use fork or your hand to bring the dates in small pieces if you want. Once your mixture is ready, do the magic with your hands and make a small, big or same size balls. You can also ask your kids to join and enjoy cooking, and also that way they can help you out as well. For recipe number 2, you need 1 cup of peanut, 1 cup of raisins, 2.5 cup of soaked pitted dates, 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. Then you need 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and this is optional, you can just skip it. Then you need some coconut shred, you need some cinnamon powder as well. Cinnamon powder is also optional. Now again, you have to do the magic with your mixer grinder or your fruit processor or with your hands and fork. Just bring the mixture into the consistency where you can make balls. Keep coconut shred for garnishing. So this is the way we have to garnish. And now see the magic. I have created so delicious and beautiful balls. These were so quick and easy recipes. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Give them some ideas through this video. Also try this recipe at home and write me in the comment section what you think about that. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you have any video request, let me know in the comment section. I want to see your creation as well. So if you're trying this recipe, take a picture and tag me on Instagram on this name. And also you can tag me on Facebook. I'm with that same name, like on Facebook and Instagram, that is Gautam Pragya. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future more videos. I've come up with lots of videos related to lifestyle, DIYs and hacks, and I'm signing off. Bye.